Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy Studios. Yes, you heard it right, Unacademy Studios. This is an additional feature which we have introduced under Iconic subscription. Whenever you're choosing Iconic subscription, now additionally you'll be getting a studio recorded content in a Google Drive format with unlimited views. Repeat, studio recording content in Google Drive format with unlimited views. This is the extra feature which we've added under Iconic. This is our studio recorded content. You can download that videos. It will have unrestricted, unlimited views. Yes, the limit will be only for the duration of your subscription. If you are choosing Iconic subscription for 12 months, you will have access to these videos for 12 months. There will be a structured way index. All lectures will be properly named. It becomes very easier for the student. Plus, you can download it, so no need to have a constant internet connectivity. But I'll just note down this thing. Currently, this pre-recorded or studio recorded content which is given to you, they are fast track batches. So on the platform, you can watch regular batches, but the Google Drive mode, what you are getting additionally is the fast track batches, and currently they are in English, Hindi English mix. Yeah, so full English lectures will be coming up shortly, but currently they are English. And yes, I have taken the subject of advanced auditing and professional ethics. So CA final paper 3. In this studio recording, I have taken paper number 3. For all other subjects, we have excellent faculties. Don't worry at all about it. So take up an Iconic subscription. You will get an additional feature. Yes, the regular features, physical material, evaluated answer sheet, mentorship program, they all are there. This is an additional benefit which is given to you. You are getting a Google Drive access, downloadable videos in a Google Drive format with unlimited viewing rights. And one more thing, I'm starting my advanced auditing and professional ethics, that is your CA final paper number 3 batch from today. So today evening, today is 13th April, evening 7 to 10 p.m. we are starting auditing batch. So take up a subscription today itself and we'll meet from today evening. You can take plus subscription or Iconic. Iconic mein this is an additional feature which is added. So see you in evening today, 7 o'clock. Take up a subscription, use code YESHAS. YESHAS. You can use code YESHAS, you'll get some special discounts. So extra feature, you wanted it, we brought it. Bye-bye, take care.